Hello, my friends and new friends. I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash, a style / review on Bounce Curl products. I'm very excited to do this because some of the products I have today I have used before and I love from Bounce Curl, and two other products from them I've never used before. And I'm really excited to share with you my cleansing, conditioning, and my styling results. So if you'd like to check them out as well, stick around with me and keep watching. Now, the products that I have not used yet are the first ones that I'm going to share with you and show. Hydra Drench Cleansing Conditioner. Whoa, and look like this. The second product I'm gonna go in with is their Super Smooth Cream Conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, rinse and clean, and I'll be right back. Now that my hair is prepared and it's ready to add the styling product, that's what I'm going to do. And the only styling product I'm going to use is from Bounce Curl, and it is their Light Creme Gel. So here we go. So this alone, nothing else. Now I'm gonna let this air dry for about an hour or so, and then I will diffuse. Now before I do that, I'm gonna take this is the CurlyCo microfiber towel. And I'm going to take very damp hair, and then just take the ends and kind of scrunch out a little bit of the extra moisture. That's it. I'm done. Microfiber towel off, hands off. Gonna let it air dry again for an hour, and I will diffuse. And once I'm done diffusing, I'll be right back. Here I come. And these are my results. I'm very happy with these today. Now I'm not done yet. I am going to pick my hair out a little bit in just a moment. And I will also have in the description box for you guys the blow dryer I use, the diffuser I like to use, and then also off camera, I used my favorite hair and body oil to give myself a scalp massage. I separated curl clumps, and I also scrunched out the crunch. So I will have that detailed down below for you guys. And right now, we're gonna get to the picking. So grab your favorite trusty hair pick that you like, any hair pick will do, and some Bounce Curl hairspray. When I found out that Bounce Curl had hairspray, I was like, oh my gosh, I have been looking for a hairspray and I wasn't sure exactly which ones were curl friendly. 9 times out of 10, they're not curl friendly. This one is. So this has been an absolute fave addition to my curly girl styling regimen, and I'm gonna use it right now for you guys. So I'm gonna show you what I do with this. So I take the hairspray and I take my hair pick and I just squirt it a couple times on each side and then go to town. All right, quick little review on everything, starting with the cleansing conditioner. This was really, really nice. It is very creamy. It's more of a cream. It doesn't have too major of a slip, but I definitely could tell when using it, I could detangle my hair very easily. Once I rinsed this out, my hair still felt hydrated. Like the way that my hair felt, it felt smooth. It didn't feel like dry, or like, I feel like, you know, your hand kind of gets stuck going down your hair. Like it feels almost like squeaky clean where it just completely stripped it. So it was really, really nice. It like it literally conditioned it as it cleansed it. It was fantastic. So I think I'm gonna experiment with this and use it on some co-wash days. Very happy with this. Moving on to this bad boy, the cream conditioner. This I love just as much as the cleansing conditioner. This had a little bit, at least to me, it has a little bit of a thicker consistency than the cleansing conditioner, which was awesome. And I really felt too like this was another product that most of my tangles were already out, but it also too had a lot of nice slip to it. Like I felt like I could really work with it and detangle my hair if needed. So with this product, I went ahead and left it in. I wrapped my hair up in a bun and then did whatever else I had to do in the shower and then rinsed it out. And once I rinsed it out, it still just felt like my hair was moisturized and soft and hydrated. And I think even now we can tell, like this, it was fantastic. I definitely am going to make these products more of an wash and go routine because I absolutely love the results. But I'm almost done. The light cream gel. What can I say? I have already used this, like I said before, and I love this gel already. I love to use it on its own, and I love to pair it along with other things, whether it's like a cream or a custard or another gel. Sometimes I'll use like 2 gels, which is whatever, but I've done that before. I love incorporating Bounce Curl light cream gel into my styling. Absolutely love the results that I get like every single time, especially today all by itself. Oh my gosh. The consistency is very like water-based. It's a lot thinner. It has a lot of slip. So when you are working this through your curls, there's so much slip in this gel. So it's easy to work with. It gets amazing results. Oh, look at that. What is this? This guy I just can't stop looking at. I'm like, what is, oh, yeah. Love, one of my favorite gels. Love it. And lastly, the HairSpray. This, again, is something I've already used from them, and I love it so much, and I still love it now. This is a great hairspray. So if you guys are looking for a curl-friendly hairspray, check out Bounce Curl. Pick up some of their hairspray. You will absolutely love it. And it's great, too, with this hairspray, because if I'm doing other fancy styles, or if I have, like, twists in my hair, something where my hair's, like, slicked back, you can use this as well, and it does give a really nice strong hold. But when I'm using it to pick out my hair, I don't notice any issues or any problems or my hair feeling crunchy or dry. It just gives me that volume that I need and the hold that I want, and it protects my curls. It's not gonna damage them. Win-win. All right, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed my little wash and style and review of Bounce Curl products. I absolutely love these products, and let me know in the comments down below if you have ever tried Bounce Curl, if you're ever going to try Bounce Curl, and if you do, please share your results, and hopefully you love this product as much as I do. So all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and come back and join me this Monday for another video. Thanks again for watching, and take care. Oh, please don't break. It's the part they never show you. Ah! Oh, whoa! I'm really having some technical difficulties.